First, we start with an open break, going around the lady. 1, 2, left hand up. 5, 6. Notice how I cross behind on 5, 6, 7. So I get around the lady, and she stays mostly on the spot. We go 1, 2 progressional turns, both hands up, and let them cross. Don't worry about here, it's not too difficult. It's going to look difficult, but it's not. The counting exactly is throw the lower hand, that's the lady's right hand, on 1, 2, 3, throw and catch by 4 maximum, because you want to lead the lady now here. 5, 6, 7. Wear the hand over like a tray. 1, slide, 2, 3 to the right hand hold. Crossbody lead to a half a Titanic or a half a turn. Now here guys, turn around and hold like a handshake without using your thumb. And go 1, 2, put your thumb now in so the lady crosses like so. Now we're outside the elbow, ask for the bottom hand and execute a copa over la cabeza on 3. Crossbody lead with the turn, change hand to the left, and progressional turns to finish it off. Let's go to music.